I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hi guys, so for today's video, as you guys can see already in the title, I will be reacting to your assumptions about me. So since I already did like a Q&A, might as well I ask you guys on Instagram. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram because I am so close in hitting 1K there and help a girl out. So I'm gonna put my handle here, Instagram handle. If you haven't followed me, please follow me there. I'm trying to post as much as I can on Instagram. So anyways, let me just go to my screenshots. Alright, so first things first is, this really cracks me up because she is right. This assumption comes from Lexi. She is my hairstylist. She said, "You're a Gemini, LOL." Yes, I'm a Gemini. Yes, I am a Gemini, and that's a fact. Alright, the second one is you're workaholic. I mean, I try to keep my life busy, and also I try to work as much as I can, because if I'm not doing anything, I would go crazy. So as much as I can, I like to film and I like to work, so I try to keep myself busy. That's just how I am, because the more if I'm not doing anything, it's just like I don't want to waste my day without doing anything. So I try to keep myself busy, and I guess you would say that I'm a workaholic a little bit. Yeah, because I do work 12 hours for 4 days, so that means yeah, I do work even in weekdays. I mean weekends, I do work as well. Like right now I'm filming so I can put out some content for you guys. So yes, I would say I'm just a little bit workaholic. All right, next one is, you want to go back to the Philippines so bad. Like, why are you gonna do me like that? Yes, I do want to go back to the Philippines so bad. I was gonna go back this year, but I had to cancel the flight. But you know what, 2021, I'm hoping and praying that it's gonna be for everybody's year, because this 2020 is a hard year, not just for me but for everybody. But hopefully we're just gonna try to push it, you guys, and make 2021 a better year. So yes, hopefully by next year. So the next one is, you don't like showing your husband.
I guess I really don't know.
You guys, you're like coming at me. Oh my goodness. I do. It's just the thing that he doesn't want to be in a camera. Like, he always jokes. I'm like, well, what's my talent fee gonna be like? So if you watch like some of my videos, like mostly travel videos, he's actually in there. Like when I try to vlog travel videos, he's actually in there. It's just like it's not that he doesn't want to. I don't want to show my husband. I do, but at the same time, like, I just, you know, like, if he doesn't want it, then I'm not gonna push him. Like, that's just me, you know. But yeah, some of the videos or vlogs as well, like, you can see him, some of the vlogs. But yeah, a lot of times, or most of the times, he just doesn't want to be in the video. I try to convince him, but yeah, he's just stubborn. Okay, so next one is, you're too nice. I think I am too nice. I feel like I'm too nice when it comes to my family, and I'm too nice when it comes to my friends, but don't try me. I'm just saying. Alright, the next one is, you're D-I-F-F. Oh, you're definitely crazy in bed, with like this emoji right here. Oh my goodness. I'm not putting my personal stuff, okay, in a camera. Oh my goodness. But I'll ask my husband if I'm crazy. Alright, so the next one is, you still get hit on by guys. Oh my god, yes, you guys. Every single freaking time I go out, and I even tell my husband every time I get hit on, and he just gets so mad, because like, I feel like women in general still get hit on, even if you're married. You're like, men is just trash. Like, they don't know like the boundaries and respect. Even if like you're wearing like almost no show with your skin, they're still hitting on you. Like, I don't, and I hate that about some of, not even men, some of the guys. Like, it's just crazy. So next one is gonna be, hold on. All right, so next one is, you like to eat. Wow. Yes, I do like to eat. I mean, who doesn't like to eat? Food is life, okay? Food is life. All right, so the next one will be, you keep your circle small. I do love to keep my circle small, not more. I do like to keep my circle small, just because I learned so much this year. And yes, I just like to keep my circle small. The smaller the better. That's just how I'm gonna say. All right, the next one is you spend so much money in one day. You guys, who is spying me right now? Like, are you guys spying on me? Because it depends, okay? Like, if I'm working, like, I don't go to the stores, but I think because you guys see me in a vlog that is like weekend sometimes, that I always go to the store and always buying, especially right now it's Christmas, almost Christmas time. You always see me like buying stuff, but it depends on the day, because most likely I don't really spend much on like on a weekday because I'm working, but in the weekends and if it's really needed, that I'll spend some money. But yeah, the next one would be you're indecisive when it comes to buying a luxury item. Okay, you guys are just coming at my neck. Okay, so sometimes I am indecisive. Like, for example, with my, with my Alma BB, I don't know if you guys saw that vlog, but when we went to the Louis Vuitton in Bloomingdale's, I know I've seen the Alma BB not almost everybody, but I've seen it sometimes when we go to the mall. I've seen this girl, like, you know, wearing your Alma BB. And when we went to the mall, I think my friend and I went to the mall, and I just want to see it for myself, because before even buying like luxury items, I try to watch so many reviews about them and like the pros and cons about the bag before even like buying it, because Alma BB and especially like Louis Vuitton or even luxury in general, they're really expensive. So you have to do your research, or you have to question yourself, like, is it worth paying for, or is it worth the money? I'm not just gonna say like, oh, because I have this, I can afford, I'll just buy it. Like, I literally kind of like, I'm so indecisive, like, do I really need it, or do I like want it? It's just like depends of if I need it or I just want it because I seen this girl wearing it. So yeah, with my Alma BB, I was like 50-50 if even purchasing that bag, because I already have the Speedy 25, which still I freaking love. But yeah, I try to watch more videos and just watch videos and see if it's really worth money or worth paying for, because like I said, they're not very cheap. So yeah, I am indecisive when it comes to buying luxury goods. And with that one, it's very classic. The Alma BB is very classic, and I can pass that on with my probably future daughter or my sister, or my sisters. I'm kind of lucky if I'm gonna pass this to them. But yeah, it's just very like just a classic piece. So yeah, I'm kind of indecisive when it comes to buying luxury items. And you're right with that one. Okay, so my battery died, my SL2 battery died, so I'm gonna continue filling it on my Canon G7X. All right, so the next assumption is frank, which I am. If you really truly know me, yes, I am. All right, next one is, this is I think bisaya, stricta, or like strict. It also depends. When it comes to my family, especially like my brother and my sister, I'm a little bit strict, I think. But yeah, 50-50. Like, I'm not too strict, I'm like cool, kind of like strict, like depends, also depends. So you don't like waiting. You guys, this is like my problem with my friends before in the Philippines, like Mariela, if you're watching this. So I don't like waiting. Like, I hate waiting on people. Like, I know it comes with, if you're like Filipino, we call it Filipino time. When you plan something, like for example, you're gonna meet up with your friends, like let's just say 6 p.m. and you tell them like, yeah, we can meet up at 6 p.m. These people will legit like meet you around 7 or 8, and the time that you want to meet up is 6, and these people come around 7 or 8. So that right there is, I already hate waiting on people. That's why when I try to meet up with some of my like Filipino friends, I tried to kind of like come up with the time that I know that they're gonna be there late. So when it comes to like, for example, 6 p.m, I try to push like maybe 5 or 4 so they can come at 6 p.m. if you guys know what I mean. But yeah, I'm kind of, I don't like waiting. I just don't like waiting. I'm kind of like impatient when it comes to like, also depends on like what I'm waiting for, but yes, I kind of like hate waiting. All right, so the next one is Malambing. Me and Rian love you. Thank you, Daichin. I love you too. So Malambing is, I would say, affectionate or a little bit sweet or tender. Yes, I am. I think I'm sweet and tender, especially with my husband. I'm very malambing, sometimes strict to him too. So yes. And I also love watching your vlogs in Daichin. I love it. All right, so the next one is that you are an introvert. Yes, you got that right. So that was from Renzi L. All right, I'm trying to find more screenshots. I think that is all it, you guys. I try to find more screenshot, but I think that's all it. So anyways, I hope you like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Like frost nipping at your nose. So